Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off ads on the Burger Please game. So let's get started right away. If you have already installed the Burger Please game on your device, then you might notice that there is no sign up or login feature. However, the game is supported by various ads. Now, you don't have an option to directly remove the ads. However, when you are playing the game, in the middle you will get these pop-ups which will tell you that you can get an ads-free pack by simply paying the shown amount. You can go ahead and tap on the button which shows the amount, and then you will be taken into the Google Play payment page. If you don't already have a payment method, you will be asked to add your credit or debit card. You can add your payment method or proceed with your existing one, and then pay the amount that is shown within the game. And then once your purchase has completed, you will notice that all of the ads within the game will stop appearing. You can also tap on the ad-free pack whenever you're playing the game, which will sometimes appear on the right side, and you will be able to access the payment plan to remove the ads. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on removing the advertisements on the Burger Please game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.